I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart.
Y'all, we back, okay? And I'm super excited about this unit. Actually, I'm super excited with any unit because half of these be misses, but I just get so excited to talk to y'all. If you are new here, please consider clicking subscribe. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. Boom. All right, so I know y'all have seen it too. This is about Outre and it's part of their daily wig collection, and y'all know what that equals to me. It equals affordable, but sometimes this daily collection also equals a miss. So we're going to see. If you look in that description box, I'm gonna put a direct link to where you can go and pick this up from Amazon if it's available. But if not, like I always say, just Google the name for your best price. All right, so I took the stock card off so we can go over that to see if it's something of importance on here. It's in the style Laniece, L-A-N-I-E-C-E. And I got it in the color that Fanta's wearing on the stock card. I got it in the color 3D R4/cream ombre. Now, with these wigs, you know it comes with no lace to cut off. You just get a lace part. That's why it's so affordable. It comes with a pre-attached elastic band. I'm trying to see if there's something else in here that you might want to know about the other colors. It comes in a 1 and 1B of 2. Chocolate swirl, ginger brown, red velvet, tiramisu, creamy toffee, ash brown, which is this other color that Fanta is wearing, and cream ombre, the color that we got, okay? Nothing much else on this stock card. Let's take Laniece out of this packaging and look at her cap construction. All right, I've taken Laniece out of her packaging, and I will say I like that little feather curtain bang look that this wig might give, but let's look at the cap construction. Okay, so remember, there is no lace to come off. These daily wigs just come with that lace part. There is no ear to lace, none of that. You're doing too much, okay? This wig is probably around between $20 and $25. Okay, you do get a comb to the right, you get a comb to the left, you get a comb in the back, those adjustable straps, and you also get a glueless band that's not adjustable, okay? She does come with very, 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 very slight, I don't know if y'all can see that, slight baby hairs, just like a few. Now this color, this cream ombre is very, very pretty. I love the job that Outre did on that. As far as the texture goes, it's that nice middle ground to where it's not, can you see that? It's not too silky, it's not too yucky. It's just like that right amount, okay? However, when I look up here at the top, I am getting some shine. So when you see me, you know, putting this on, you will probably see me utilize some dry shampoo to try to kill some of this shine. All right, this shouldn't take very long. Let me put Laniece on my head, show you a 360, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. You guys, be right back.
Open up your mind and just rest.
right, y'all. So I'm back with my final thoughts on Laniece. And at this price point, you know, less than $25, I definitely think Laniece is worth it. All you have to do, and it might just be the, no, I was about to say it's the color that I got that's going to be shiny. But with my experience with these Daily Wigs from Outre, even a 1 or 1B is going to be shiny. But if you utilize a little bit of dry shampoo, put your little powder in that part, I think that you are going to absolutely love this unit. Laniece also fits very, very comfortably on my head, and I do have that glueless band in. I'm not getting any shedding or tangling, but that's right out of the pack. Now, I will say my shelf life with these Daily Wigs don't last forever, but you are going to get some multiple wears out of this unit. The other thing is this color. This color, I get so nervous about colors like this, but I really love the way that Outre blended this out. Now, I'm somebody that loves a blonde with a dark root. I love that they put that 4 up there. Some people do not like the dark root. I feel more comfortable with a dark root. Some people say it makes it look more wiggy when it's a dark root. That's just gonna be a personal preference, but I absolutely love this color. If you like this color as well, you need to check out, now, you know I don't really scream you need to try main concept a lot, but they have a color called Toasty Milk. I reviewed Lydia in that color, and it's very, very, very similar. All in all, not a single complaint about this wig. I think that you will not be disappointed if you purchase this wig. I think that Outre hit the nail on the head when they said it was a daily wig, because I do feel like this is one that you could wear on a daily basis. Super beginner friendly, very throw in and go type of unit. I really do like this one. If y'all looking at this description box, I'm gonna put that direct link, like I said, for you to go get it from Amazon. But as always, Google for your best price. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.